This short guide explains how to buy shares of Equus Total Return Inc. on NASDAQ under the ticker EQS and gives a quick overview of the company's commercial real estate activities. This video is educational only and does not provide financial advice. To trade EQS, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as a neutral example to illustrate the steps. After registering, you'll be asked to verify your identity, usually with an ID document, and to add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker EQS to locate the listing. Select the result that is labeled Equus Total Return Inc. to make sure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm it's the right asset. Double-check the ticker EQS and the exchange listed as NASDAQ before moving on. To place an order, click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to commit, then carefully review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session, and if your funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade is confirmed, your EQS position will appear in your eToro portfolio for monitoring. If you want to follow these steps, there is a link to eToro in the description.